Now pay attention the ear lobe. The ear lobe is coming front of the shoulder, isn't it? If I take give me a pen here, just this one, just a pen. And if I take the pen to the ear lobe, and his ear lobe is front of the shoulder, isn't it? Can we see that, everyone? Yes, here. And the head is going forward, shoulders are rounded. If she is doing yoga posture like that, it's gonna increase the pain. So what we should do? Okay, that's funny. Okay, I'm just giving you, this we call external rotation. Take the hand up, here, keep it here. Just hold, keep the shoulder like that and take the hand down. What happened to the shoulders? Is any change there?
Yeah, a lot.
A lot of change. But before that, now go to original position. How you are? What rotation is this happening? Internal. So nowadays we all are like that, so shoulders are here. So we must know. Okay, now this way, just move this way. So come here, everybody, to see this area. Now if we see the scapula, is it okay? I can take the t-shirt a little side. Yeah. Okay.
That's your kids.
No, sorry, thank you. So we see the scapula is moving outward and upward. Can we see this? Now this scapula, when it is moving outward and upward, the shoulders are rounding this way. Now see what happened when she is doing that external rotation. Take the hand up. What happened to scapula? Move downward and inward. And then see how is the back now? And ribs soft. How is the back now? Here. Look at that. Look at that. Can we see the back? Is it muscles are firm, scapula is down and in? Now take the hand down, go to your original position. What happened? Now this scapula is the reason for the neck problem. This scapula, and if she is doing yoga posture like that, what will happen? There's going to be more neck pain there. So it means we have to adjust it. And how I will adjust it?
Don't have to stay like that.
No. Okay. Now, okay, just see that. Bring. Okay, now I want you to be like that, but stretch your hand down. Stretch that down. Like feel that your fingers are going to the ground. Touch, like stretch your finger, like you want to touch the ground with your finger. What happened here? Can we see the change? Now, while doing it, now inside of the arm, roll them out. And what will happen with that? You can see the lower back is moving forward. So ribs are poking forward. Ribs has to soft. Buttock has to down. Ribs has to soft. Ribs has to soft. Now this has to broaden here. Broaden. Yes. And shoulder out. Out. Scapula roll down. 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 In. Ribs soft. Okay. It will take a little time for her to understand. But this, move it back a little. No, back. This one, lift it up. You lift it up, and break it down. All right, that's good. Better. Okay, come forward now. Look at this side. Turn this way. And now open here, open here. Okay, what happened to the shoulder now? Can we see the broadness here? How you feel on the neck right now? Better. Now, look at this ear lobe, which was front of the shoulder. We are bringing the ear lobe, relax your neck, in line with the shoulder. Clear, everyone? This is the ear lobe. It will be come in the line with the shoulder here. So we will release it, open it, relax the neck completely. Okay, here we go. And the chin is parallel to the ground. If the chin is here, also problem. Chin is here, no problem. Chin is parallel to the ground, shoulder in the socket. What is my mean by socket? Stay here a little. Now, when the shoulder is tipping in, it is going like that. So it is out of this socket. And if it is going too much back, also out of the socket, I have to bring in the socket here. So shoulder joint has to be in the socket. Now let's see here, if it is coming forward, now it is out of the socket. If she is taking it too back, though can't breathe, tense out of the socket. Let's find it. How is it here?
Good.
This is in the socket.
Yeah.
Understood it? Everybody get it? Later on we will come how to keep them there, what exercises you need to do. But right now I must understand what is the right position here. So simply now look at me what I am doing, then you will do. Thank you, Rebecca.
Thank you.
Watch here what I am doing. Okay, look at this posture. This is 21st century posture. Okay, now look at that, what I am going to do. Stretch the finger. Okay. Inside of the arm is coming out, scapula is rolling down, and look at what I am doing. Chin parallel, head back. What happened to my posture? Is there any difference? Can you feel that? And now just check. So it means I have to maintain this posture. Shoulder in the socket. Are we clear about it? Okay, I'm taking you over here. Okay.